Ani. We're going to tell a story today, and when I tell the story, I want you guys to listen because you remember the maple syrup that we had this morning?
Yeah.
This is how that maple syrup came to be. And so this is how the legend of how that maple syrup came to the Anishinabek. And Elaine's going to do the Ojibwe version. And Perry. So here's the story. A long, long time ago. Way long time ago. Fat used to drip off the branches of the trees. The fat used to come up from the center of the tree and go up like this, and it used to drip off the branches. The Anishinaabe used to put their pails underneath the branches, and the fat would drip in there.
Biscuit-nagen.
Yeah, biscuit-nagen.
Yeah, biscuit-nagen.
And then what happened was Nana Boozhoo seen the people were really enjoying that. But the fat that everybody treasured the most came from the maple tree. And eventually what happened was people got lazy. They got lazy and they started to steal everybody else's fat because they were too lazy to get their own. Nana Boozhoo didn't like that at all. And he had his eagle staff in his hand. Mnidoo. And he grabbed his staff and he put it into each tree where the heart is. And the fat started to not drip off the trees anymore. It stopped. And of course, the maple syrup that used to come dripping out on the maple tree, that became no more. It stopped. Because the people were getting lazy. And of course, after that, the people were sad. And for a long time, nobody had syrup after that.
Still a syrup in the store?
Yeah. Then one day, there was two people in a wigwam, a man and a wife. And they were a little bit older. And they had a dream. And they dreamt of the little people. And in that dream, the little people told them how to make the maple syrup again. And because they were greedy before with their fat and with their syrup, this time they had to really work for it. And so the sap, it comes up through the heart of the tree. And that's where people get that sap from. That's where it comes from the heart of that tree. And so that's how the syrup came back to the Anishinaabe, by the little people showed them how to do it again. In a dream. Ziinzibaakwad. And that's why we can never be greedy with our maple syrup, because we don't want them to take it away again. Because who knows how long it'll be gone for if that happens. So always share your maple sugar. Always share your syrup. Oh, miigwech.
Everyone say miigwech.
Miigwech. Miigwech. Hey, hey.
Oh, kan ik hem ode? Dini sakse. Kom gitchenoden. Ah.
Nice.
Coming off. Yeah, we'll give you a taste of the sap in a second.
All right.
Hey, everybody come over here. Come up and make a little circle here. I'm going to give everybody a spoon.
Oh, wow.
Wait till everyone gets the spoon. We'll show you what's in there. Here it is.
Oh, Ziinzibaakwad, bo. Ziinzibaakwad,
Just a second. There's the sap. Okay, that came out of the trees. See how clear it is? This looks like, is it water? Yeah, what's the word for water?
Bish.
Bish.
Ah.
It's like bish.
Wish,
Okay, so dip your spoon in and you can have a little taste, one at a time. Dip your have a little taste.
How does it
No double
taste?
dipping though. Want a little taste?
How does it taste?
Keep your spoon though.
Oh,
We're going to
keep
give you a
it?
taste
Oh,
of
okay.
syrup too.
Manda,
We're gonna give you a taste of the
So what is this? Just this water?
This is just the sap.
Oh, okay.
Get some big here, I'll help you get it.
I think it was too cold.
It's going to get boiled. Someone else want to taste?
Me.
Can you taste it? Oh,
How does it taste, kids?
I'll let you get your own, Perry.
I can get mine.
Okay, does it taste like water?
Brian
Does it taste a little bit sweet?
Brian
Sour.
아니구나
Carrot taste this.
Hungry chance we stop.
Okay, so how's that?
How is it, Brian?
Cool.
It's cool?
Okay.
All right, now we're trying the syrup.
Natural, Peter?
Are we gonna see?
Is it all natural, Peter? Didn't add no sugar in it? Okay, cool. Awesome.
How's that?
Homer, no. Nothing. Is
Yeah,
that
it's
good?
good that way. Some people do, yeah. Yeah, but you don't have to.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, a lot of people do that, eh?
It's very good.
Yeah, it's not natural that way.
I don't want to taste it.
If you've already had some, move to the back.
Yep.
I didn't have any.
Did they need their spoons again,
You
Peter?
can have another little taste if you
Oh,
want.
okay.
That's everybody has.
Had some.
Give na po at na.
Better than candy.
Brian. Oh. Yum.
Yummy.
Yeah. Majan. Jaganan. Kejepetan. Kinoomaage-gamig, eh? I don't know which one the Kinoomaage-gamig is, you know.
It's so good that I'm licking it. So good that I'm licking the spoon. Sarah, you gotta taste it.
Me glad.
Not good. Anim bon potrim on B Howard Corbier and Ziinzibaakwad the kid when the gay got click. Mnidoo Mnising Anishinabek Ibina Nanik Kinoomaage the Montego Mumpy and come gives off the gun. Now how?
How? How? Na, within Larry me was in that Uda Kim na nina tik oko with a biwak. Nisa when Jabba magakin Ziinzibaakwad. Maban tik was. Just pretend it's ninatik. So oh yeah Howard bagna again ni das na ton tot na given and done.
Spoils.
Spoils, yeah. Spoils ton. Ni das na madjagak na Ziinzibaakwad. Kikom. Mi das na Mnidoo Aroma. Kikom.
Oh, what's that, guys?
Kikom Howard Mino Lester Ziinzibaakwad Mi Dashmanda Toad Kikong Binche Kikong Manda Mina Winoa
All right.
Vinigek. Og da var det kom da når vi har sketseren. Vinigek, Ziinzibaakwad abo. Har vi ikke noen bakt i gang. Ja, fint igen, Sarah Marie, Maxi, fint igen.
How? Mi so in Jaboto what? Good day, Dante. Yeah, Howard keyboard away. You know what? Woman, the thumb. Easy, Nana, Ziinzibaakwad. Yes. Toado ma, Pinoa ma. Mnidoo, Ziinzibaakwad, Ziinzibaakwad. Mandan switch temakat. Oh, manda. Mirashna Oman Ziinzibaakwad Ziinzibaakwad manda. Yeah. Mandan dito dan bichikikong. Yeah. Gabay. Skigimizige. Yeah, gabay gijik, gabay debik. Bagi swan Medaswe shinish the bargain.
Oh, something.
Bejik chiminik wajagan.
Oh. Oh, very good.
Pabuin, there's Pabuin. Yeah, Mother Rock, Bobby Chairwan. Skigamizigawan. The bottom walk. Eat the bottom walk there, Skigamizigawan.
Wie de smoedam de Ziinzibaakwad.
Oma, oh, Pigishitawa.
Oh, man piniki, man. Oh, very good. Die went king. Moeten zenden de moesken het on, moeten niet king.
Where when they Skigamizigawan, going, we joggers in the
Brian, give up. Good job.
Going, we joggers on one. To Nijwak, Schwaswit. Picture,
Oh, man piniki het on.
Jagamide.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Wie de skenmaat. Die komt de day.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what Pigishitawa.
Is dat goed?
The sun?
Dan ja. Dus voor de. Wanneer is iemand die het deed?
Oh, Ziinzibaakwad. Oh, kan, Bishetta.
Oh, een beetje. Oh.
Ich bin nou hier Raskanaba.
Oh, okay. Aha.
Aha.
Nicht schön.
All right. Miigwech. Nishin.
Nicht